In TypeScript and JavaScript, undefined and null are both used to represent the absence of a value, but they have distinct meanings and uses. Here are some real-life examples that illustrate the concepts of undefined and null. Example of undefined. Imagine you're baking a cake and you have all your ingredients listed on a piece of paper. However, you accidentally forgot to list the quantity of sugar needed. In this scenario, sugar quantity is undefined because you haven't specified the amount of sugar required. The ingredient variable exists, but its value, the quantity, hasn't been defined yet. Let sugar quantity. This declares a variable named sugar quantity, but it doesn't assign a value to it. When you try to log sugar quantity to the console, it outputs undefined because the variable was declared but not initialized with any value. In this scenario, the ingredient variable exists, but its value, the quantity, hasn't been defined yet. Example of null. Now let's say you've baked a cake and you're offering slices to your friends. However, one of your friends is on a diet and doesn't want any cake. You make a note next to their name that they will receive no cake. Let cake slice for friend equals null. This declares a variable named cake slice for friend and explicitly assigns it the value null. When you log cake slice for friend to the console, it outputs null because you deliberately set its value to represent no value, or nothing. Undefined typically means a variable has been declared but not yet assigned a value. Null is a value that you assign to a variable when you want to indicate that it should have no value. It represents an intentional absence of any object value.
Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos like, share and subscribe.